Alright, so I want to give you a quick video on EMAs. Okay, um, let's have a look. Not the MACD. Let me try and find it now. There we go. I always go with the EMA over the SMA. There isn't much difference between the two. There is a difference, but I don't know what the difference is. For me personally, I prefer EMAs. Okay, you can change the length, for example, how long you want it, whether you want it on open, whether you want it on close, whether you want it on high, low, etc. For me, I keep it on close. Okay, so when the candle closes, that's when it's going to draw it basically. I don't offset it, I like it where it is. You can change the type of EMA moving average that you want. The length of time, I leave it at 14. Berlinger bands, I don't use that. Time frame chart and wait for time frame close. Okay, cool. You can change the color. Okay, I don't know what that one does. That does absolutely nothing by the look of it. Got all this off, turn labels and values off because I'm not interested in that. Change the color to make it whatever color you want. Make it nice and easy for you to see. I'm going to keep it blue for now. Okay. Visibility, what timescale you want it on. Now, on its own, the EMA is not great. I mean, you could trade just off that one. I mean, you can see the trend changes there where it goes over the candle. It's a downtrend. When it goes under the candle, it's an uptrend. And you can see that over and over. Look, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, you get the idea. So you could trade like that, but I mean, like, one source of trade is not going to be great. Okay. The main thing with the moving averages is you want to treat them like elastic bands. Okay, what I mean by that is if you get an elastic band and you stretch it, the elastic band has to come back together, doesn't it? It's going to come back together. It's going to close up on itself because you pulled it too far away. Okay, and an example of that you'd see better if I change this to, so let's do it to a 50-day period. Okay, like this. So you can see here, like, as it's pulling away, pulls away, and it snaps back. Okay, pulls away, and then it snaps back. Okay, pulls away, snaps back. So that's how I look at an MA. Okay, on their own, I wouldn't recommend trading off one MA on itself. Okay, some people swear by them. Okay, but they always have more than one. Okay, anyone that says they don't have more than one is, quite frankly, lying, or they're some sort of elite god. So usually it's 50, 100, and 200. Okay. So 200 is for, let's just change the colors, make it nice and simple. Let's make that green. And then this one will make yellow. Nice and visible. Okay, 50, 100, and 200. And as you can see, you can start to see some sort of formation. You're not looking at the candles at this point, you're just looking at the MAs, and as they fluctuate, you know, as you can see here, last time the 50 and the 100 come down, touched it, shot up, touched, it's probably going to shoot up, who knows. So this is what you want to use the EMAs for. They're really great at finding the trend, the direction. They're good at signaling potential reversals or a change in price, and they're really going to be your bread and butter going forward in trading if you adopt this style of trading. Okay, you can't go wrong with one. So yeah, hope that helps.